scientific name is Kakatuwa moracensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cactus.
Wow!
There you go. The show has officially started. A round of applause for Chaco between the regions. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainee Rochelle. So, here's an object that I will hide under one of these three silver cups. Where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, let's put it right here. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our super-crested cockatoo. Scientific name is Kakatuwa galarica. Common inhabitants are ocean woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They can compete in seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? If it's yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, you can do it. Find the hidden object for us.
Naaamoy niya yun.
Wala na kung nasan yung bato tinago.
Ayan, sa gitna.
And
Ah!
you found it. A round of applause for Dazzle with Radio JV.
Galing ah.
Now, our next featured bird is just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning their mates are partners for life. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest in relationship, there will always be battles. Meet our mahot, and they will show up how they battle up see who's the best in basketball team. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy! Sassy! How about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky! 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 Alright, birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here's Rocky first ball. How about the second ball? Second ball for Rocky. It's a tie, and for the last ball, Rocky wins. Regine, you lose this time. What can you say about that? Hold that. We want another race. Oh, she wants another race in your April.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Babawi yung pula po.
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race. What is the ring race? The first bird to drop the rings into the bowl, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race. So the ring race shall be. Remember guys that boys have got 1 point. So girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again this time, a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's the Rocky for his first ring. Nangunguna si Rocky. Oh, what's that? What's happening? Something big on the ring at the same time. How clever is that?
Babae kasi.
And the winner is...
Ay, Sassy.
Trainer April, what happened? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated.
Oh, she thinks you cheated. No, we didn't cheat. Sassy served ring. Wow. So it's true. Those girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with winner April and trainer Regine.
Sassy ulit.
Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and never get bored. Here's Sassy, our green mako, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back into the right slot. Just like Sassy, green mako is from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second concentrated seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. And for Lachi, good girl. There you go. It tells them right. A round of applause for Sassy with Radio Regina.